My name is Christian. I am a teacher at Erie 2 BOCES. I teach conservation and heavy equipment. I always wanted to share my passion, my knowledge with the younger generation and explain to them the opportunities that are available in the skilled trades. I don't know if there's ever been a greater time for a student that wants to work, or for any younger person in general that wants to work, entering skilled trades. The opportunities are really endless. So here in a classroom space, I mean, even though we have awesome equipment, we're outside all the time, we're hands-on using it, operating it, and being around it, we're still in that educational setting. So aQuiRe is great with the course I teach. The great thing about aQuiRe is it's not just one video that covers something that's, an hour long and they lose the attention span. It's broken up into segments. They're able to then get assessed on that module. So it shows a complete comprehension of what they've learned, what they've watched.
So I think a lot of times you sit in a class and you just learn from a textbook and you see pictures of things, people doing things, but you never get to actually see exactly how they're doing it. And using aQuiRe, just watched a couple videos and I understand the whole locking mechanism. That was the worst part. I could not get that down. And it's all free for us students. So whatever you want to learn, it's just right there for you.
Having the industry experts go over the equipment, the different things to look for, their knowledge, and that way they can see it, how it translates from the classroom, that it really is what I say it is outside an academic setting. But it also gives me a great baseline, again, to see where they're at. If they need more training, if they need more time, whether it's through aQuiRe, myself, both. And with this generation, I find they're very computer savvy and are used to learning from the computer. So to have it on a platform, they can grab it anytime. They can do the modules on the bus, at home, here during class. It's just been a great compliment to the program.